Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my new vlog. So today I am back in Barcelona and today I am visiting Roses and Cadaqués, which is in outskirts of Barcelona in Costa Brava. So I took a metro where I was staying and I came to Plaza de España. So this is Plaza de España which you see behind me, and I booked a tour service in group and they are taking 37 euros and they will take me to Roses and Cadaqués. So at this place is the meeting point. So we are meeting here and then we will board the bus and we will continue our journey. So I will show you to both the cities, Roses and Cadaqués. I have already made vlogs for both of these places 2 years ago. If you want to see them, you can go to my channel and check those vlogs. I will link them below. And till then, let's wait for my bus and then we will continue the journey and I will show you too. So this is the bus which I will be boarding. It's a double-decker bus which will take me to Roses first and then Cadaqués for the day trip. It's a day trip from Barcelona and people are boarding. You have to show your ID and the ticket you have booked, and I'm boarding it from Plaza de España, as you can see. So this is the bus. So after 2 hours from Barcelona, I reached Roses now. So behind me you can see the beautiful beach of Roses. So this is the town of Roses which you see behind me. So in Roses there are a lot of resorts and it is very family friendly town, and the beaches are also very family friendly. So I will explore more the Roses and I will also show you more. So let's go. So I did breakfast here and I'm just walking around the beach and exploring the nearby neighborhoods. There is a market also here in Roses. If you want to explore more, there are a lot of shops there for eating or for shopping or for buying souvenirs. Otherwise here there are some companies which through boat they take you for scuba diving and snorkeling and all those stuff to some nearby island. You can take that package also. I haven't taken that, so I'm just walking around here. As you can see, I will turn around the camera. So this is Roses. It is very calm beach, so you can sit here and relax, do some sunbathing, or there are a lot of water sports also here, so you can do water sports also here. So an interesting information. So this is Cadaqués where I will go next, but I am going by bus. But there is also very nice option to go by boat from Roses to Cadaqués. Yeah, here you can see. So we are here, Roses, and from here the boat will take us to Cadaqués, and it is also very cheap, and I can show the price. If you can see here, it is like 23 euros adult and 15 euros for kids.
Oh, you can say.
Yeah, and from Roses to Cadaqués it goes at 10 in the morning and returns at 3, and then again it goes at 15 and returns at 18. So it is a very nice option. Like if you don't want to go by bus, you can take the boat here, and yeah, I think it will be a very good experience. Like this, you can see they take you by these kind of boats and it is very nice. There are other activities also like scuba diving. So the scuba diving cost here is 89 euros for adult and 20 euro for accompaniments. I don't know, maybe for kids. So this is quite nice. Yeah, the price is written here plus 12, and if you are 4 to 11 the price is 15. So there is snorkeling and everything. So lot of activities here. So this is the market in the Roses. There are a lot of restaurants also here where you can eat. This is the market. So some souvenir shops, some fancy dress, hats. So this is a small shopping area here in Roses. You can see some decorations are also there up. It will look pretty nice in night time, I think, when it will light up, but I will not be here because it's a day trip for me. I will return back to Barcelona in the evening. I will go to Cadaqués from here and then I will go back to Barcelona. So this is the center of Roses. Now we are boarding the bus again to go to Cadaqués from Roses. As you can see, this is the group I came with and we are all in the queue. Now we are boarding the bus again to go to Cadaqués. So after 45 minutes bus ride from Roses, I finally reached the beautiful town of Cadaqués. So behind me you can see this is Cadaqués and it is extremely beautiful town. I have already created a detailed video about Cadaqués like 2 years ago. It is already on my channel, so you can go on the channel and see that video too. So I have like 2 years before, I created separate videos for Roses and Cadaqués, very detailed explanation of everything, so you can check that. I will link the video also in the description. But today I will show you some randomly I will walk and I will sit on the beach for some time, so I will show you more about it.
io prendi il latte di
खाना ही पड़ेगा टेलिंग टेलिंग से ही शुरू करना है बस तभी मज़ा आएगा हाँ आप लोग फोटो खींचना है आप चल रहे हैं
Uy, es que es difícil andar poco a poco, ¿eh? Ensenyar-lo. Mira, fes així. Ho has de fer així. El prat que
Cosa una mica raro.
jo vaig mirar al matí, vaig...
But you know where the church is?
church goes like from here on
Sí, pero vaya que
Vale, como